Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel. I'm a YouTuber based in Zambia, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you on how to do your eyebrows. So first of all, you brush using a spoolie and you start lining your eyebrows depending on the shape of your eyebrows, assuming that you've already shaped them or twisted them. And after drawing your eyebrows, you start filling in using an eyebrow pencil or an eyebrow gel. You fill in where you see that there are spaces, and depending on how dark or how light you want your eyebrows to be. Then you brush using a spoolie to ensure that your eyebrows, the hairs, they are in shape. Then you go ahead to clean up using your concealer. For the bottom part, use a concealer that is lighter than your skin tone. Preferably, if you're a beginner, use a concealer that is one shade lighter than your skin tone for easy blending. So this helps you to correct all the mistakes that you made while drawing and filling in. You really have to take your time when doing this. You have to take your time because eyebrows take the longest, yeah, the most difficult part of the makeup process. So yeah. You see how I am taking my time here. I'm not rushing or anything. Just do your thing nicely, and after doing that with the concealer, you clean up using a brush or a beauty blender to avoid harsh lines, especially if you're a beginner, because it might take you time for you to come back to your eyelids or foundation if it's the top part. So yeah, just clean up. And for the top part, use a concealer or foundation that is either your skin tone or a bit darker than your skin tone. For me, I'm using a foundation. This is the foundation that I use for my whole face. And if your front part of your eyebrows, they are too dark, you can use either a concealer or a foundation to clean, just like I am doing. But for me, I used a lot of concealer. But yeah, that's the thing. And that is all for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video. Bye.